Asteroid belt and Kuiper belt. The asteroid belt and Kuiper belt are two significant feeders of our solar system, located beyond the rocky inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and before the gas giant Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. While they share similarities in being regions populated by small celestial bodies, they have distinct characteristics and locations within the solar system. Asteroid belt. Location. The asteroid belt is situated between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, roughly 2.2 to 3.2 astronomical units from the Sun. An astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun, approximately 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. Composition. The asteroid belt primarily consists of rocky and metallic objects, with some estimates suggesting there are millions of asteroids ranging in size from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers in diameter. The largest object in the asteroid belt is Ceres, which is classified as a dwarf planet due to its size and spherical shape. Formation. The prevailing theory suggests that the asteroid belt is composed of remnants from the early solar system that fell to coalesce into a planet due to the gravitational influence of Jupiter's powerful gravity. These remnants are often referred to as planetesimals. Characteristics. While the asteroid belt contains a vast number of objects, they are widely spaced apart relative to their size, with millions of kilometers between individual asteroids. Consequently, the asteroid belt is not a densely packed field of debris as commonly portrayed in science fiction. Exploration. Several spacecraft have explored or passed through the asteroid belt, including NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which orbit the dwarf planet Ceres, and the Japanese spacecraft Hayabusa 2, which visited the asteroid Ryugu to collect samples. The next one is Kuiper belt. Location. The Kuiper belt is located beyond the orbit of Neptune, extending from approximately 30 to 55 from the Sun. Some models suggest it may stretch out to around 55 or even farther. 2. Composition. Similar to the asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt contains numerous small bodies, but its composition is different. While it does include rocky and metallic objects, it is primarily composed of ice bodies such as dwarf planets, comets, and other ice objects, known as Kuiper belt objects. Formation. The Kuiper belt is believed to be a reservoir of primitive remnants from the early solar system. It's thought to be where many comets originate, with some of them occasionally being perturbed into orbits that bring them closer to the Sun. Characteristic. The Kuiper belt is more sparsely populated compared to the asteroid belt, but contains objects of significant size. Notable members include Pluto, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea, which are all considered dwarf planets. The dwarf planet Pluto was the first Kuiper belt object to be discovered and was later reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet. Exploration. The Kuiper belt has been explored primarily by telescope from Earth, but in recent years, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft provided the first close-up image and data of Pluto and its moons in 2015. New Horizons continue its mission to explore other Kuiper belt objects and is expected to encounter additional targets in the future. Conclusion. In summary, while both the asteroid belt and Kuiper belt are regions of the solar system containing small celestial bodies, they differ in the locations, compositions, and characteristics. The asteroid belt is primarily composed of rocky and metallic objects located between Mars and Jupiter, while the Kuiper belt, located beyond Neptune, consists mainly of ice bodies, including dwarf planets and comets. See you again, friends, in another dimension.